Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a market vlog. This is my first vlog ever, and this is Benin City. I'm new in Benin City. I left Lagos last year, and there are tons of places I've not been to in this Benin City. When I mean tons and tons of places I've not been to. So I usually buy vegetables and fruits, plantain at a EFEHI market, and my church member always tell me that that things are expensive there. I should consider EFEHI market, something I don't know how to pronounce the name. So actually I've gone and on the way back. I couldn't do this intro before going to the market because we left the house around 6 a.m. and we left in such a hurry. So I hope you enjoyed the video. So here we are trying to make our way into the market where we buy plantain. What happened, actually, I went to the market yesterday. I've already gotten some fruits and veggies. On trying to get plantain, I bumped into the lady on black top, Mommy Ella. She was like, no way, I'm taking you to EFEHI tomorrow morning. And here we are making our way into the plantain section of the market, which is the primary reason why I'm here. I'll be buying some fruits as well, but I would love to take you along. Let me not tell you how cheap things are. I would want you to see it for yourself, just like I did. So here we are. This space is specially built for plantain and banana sellers, and here they sell in heaps, just like you can see. They sell in heaps. Just a few of them is willing to sell like 2, 3, 4 heads for you. Like, we're trying to talk to the mama, the big woman you're looking at, and she said she does not sell in heads, she sells in heaps. So I would love you to follow me to see the prices of plantain here, and it will shock you. It will shock you. The price difference is much. So okay, you can see some bananas and plantain. So this big one you're looking at is sold for 2,500 naira each. The one I'm pointing, as big as it is 2,500. If you're going for 3 heads, it's 7,000. And for me, that's extremely cheap. Very, very cheap. I don't know. So these ones are 2,500 per head, and you can buy 3 for 7,000 naira. That's 500 naira extra. So this section is about 650, at least 650, 670 per head, and we bought 4 heads for just 2,500 naira, guys. 2,500 for 4 heads of these plantains you are looking at. So when I did my calculation, it happened that it's 670 per head. This is incredibly cheap. I can't believe it. So for the fruit station, these are tangerines, oranges, avocado, lemons. So here I'll be getting some avocados. The ones I'm touching are sold for 500 naira. So I'll be going for the one that is almost ripe, and so I'll be going for this very one here. Is 500 naira, and the ones behind are sold for 1,000 naira. See, the ones behind, they are very big, and it's sold for 1,000 naira. Now I'm buying just 2 sets, and she even added like 2 jara. Just watch her adding jara, and what you are looking at here is 2,000 naira avocado. I can't believe this. What she's handing over is just 2,000 naira, and I usually buy just one for 250 naira in my area, and I bought a set of lemon for 200 naira. 6. I usually buy 3 pieces for 200 naira in that market I told you about, and here I am buying it 6 for 200 naira. Guys, if you're in Benin City, let EFEHI be your #1 plug for vegetables and fruits. This is the plantain we bought for just 2,500. Look at it, it's 4 heads. This is 2,500, guys. Wow. So a bucket of ube is sold for 1,000 naira in this market. This is incredible. And these are tangerines, and this giant avocado pear is 5 in number and is sold for 2,500. I didn't bother to bargain very well because I wasn't going to buy it. She said 2,500. I know if I should bargain well, I should be able to buy it for 2,000 naira, guys. Things are cheap, like damn cheap in this market. This pairs you're looking at is 1,000 for a bucket, and outside is sold for 400 naira, 5 for 100 naira. This size is sold for 1,200 naira. Looking at it, it's bigger and fresher than the previous one you saw. This is 1-2 for buckets. I actually didn't buy the bowl bucket. I bought the ones on the floor, and a set of those ones, I bought it for 200 naira, the ones on the floor, and it's more than 20 pieces. Guys, don't miss this opportunity if you live within this axis in Benin City. I've lived here for a couple of months, I think up to a year. I've stayed here up to 1 year, and this is the first day I'm stepping my foot into this market. For the tangerines, a bucket is sold for 1,000 naira. Guys, you can't believe this. Tangerines, a full bucket for 1,000 naira. Man, this is extremely cheap. I know this vlog may not be as professional as you expect, but this is my first time. The pineapples, I bought them for 250 naira. Guys, to be sincere with you, for the past 3 weeks I've not bought pineapple that I usually buy 2 times in a week because of the price, and I'm buying these 2 you're looking at for 500 naira. 2 of them. This is amazing. And oranges, I didn't see much difference in the orange. I bought these big ones. I bought it 6 for 200 naira, right? So plan to visit EFEHI Market for cheap fruits and vegetables. Thank you so much for watching.